Oh my goodness. Check out what I got in the mail today. I'm just gonna Hulk it. Ooh. Taba squishy. What a nice little box. Squishy delights, day and night. That's a good catchphrase. Taba squishy stress relief toys. Here's the website. We got here at tabasquishy.com. I'm gonna open this up and see like what we got in here. Oh my goodness. There's so much stuff in here. See how nice this is here? Thank you for choosing Taba Squishy and joining our fun-loving family. With love and squishiness, the Taba Squishy team. I love these guys. A box of the cutest things you've ever seen. I don't even know where to start in here. Okay. We gotta go through these one by one. We have to go through these one by... I don't... Okay. Oh my god, it comes so little. I cannot even explain the texture of this, you guys. Can you see that?
Jiggly.
Like flocked Play-Doh. That is amazing. And it comes with little eggs. This is like a little Ziploc bag. Amazing. Okay, you're gonna go back in here. Could be sushi. It's really sticky, so it feels like silly putty kind of sticky, and it feels like it's gonna get all over your hand, but then it just it looks like a giant like blue Oreo cookie. Wow. This is incredible. I could play with these for hours. Taba Squishy, these are amazing. Thank you so much.
Does it say Oreo?
It does. It says Oreo right on it. Blue keychain star, blue Taba Squishy keychain, and a cute little bell. Little paw print. Oh my goodness. This requires a kitty. Hello. Okay. Do you see how cute this is? On that note, now she hates me. Feels like Jello. It feels like Jello. It's so sticky.
It's like slime.
This is also really squishy. Not as squishy as cat paw. This is more like the Oreo. I think it's like a puffer fish. Kind of reminds me of Mrs. Puff from SpongeBob. Watch a lot of SpongeBob here. I wonder if they all have names. He's so cute as a little turtle. Very, very cute. His head is very wobbly. Green star, green bell, green Taba Squishy. It's the flocked one, like the chicken. Hamster.
It's a big, cute cheeks. Squishes cheeks.
Wow, that's adorable. White star, white bell. Another Taba Squishy. And they're so sweet. They also sent me the cutest little miniatures. Little, like Danish. There's a little egg, some cherries. Those cherries are cute. And a little pair of glasses. These are incredible. I'm blown away. I think these are amazing. Definitely love the flocked ones. This chick and this hamster are like A1. A1, who says that? Thank you so much for watching. If you're interested in any of these amazing things that you saw today, I have a link in the description. Click that, it'll bring you to the site, and I have an awesome discount code. If you're a fidget person like I am, these are incredible. These are like grown-up squishies. You buy the stuff from the dollar store for your kids, these are for you. See ya.